Hey, it's Dr. Mo here at Chiropractic Care Center. I have Jessica. Jessica's just been working for us for a month now. She's young, but she has arthritis already, right? Yeah, all the joints.
Yeah.
So I've been treating her a couple times here and there. I'm gonna go ahead and treat her again today and put it on the video for you guys. So Jessica, go ahead and go face down for me. And Jessica has a baby as well, right, Jessica?
Yes.
Yes. So and yeah, there's the alignment. And this is probably her your third adjustment, Jessica?
Yes.
So yeah, do me a favor, raise this leg, straight leg, as high as you can. Good, how about this one? Good. Joints are already moving. All right, this side up for me, Jessica, facing this far. Good. Ready? Deep breath. All the way out. Oh, hello. The other side. It's a lot of movement. Straight, and this. Deep breath. All the way out. Man, I don't even touching your movement. Let's go face up for me. Yeah, when I told Jessica we're adjusting it, she like jumped at it. She's like, okay, I'll do a video. You ready? Relax for me. Oh, hello. Now I'm gonna adjust you a little different. So you're gonna cross your hands for me. Do it the other way. So this way. Deep breath. All the way out. Beautiful. Nice. All right, go face down for me. You're even now. All right, raise your leg. Nice. How about this one? It's not magic, people. Just come on and get treated. You'll feel like this too. All right, see you guys next time.